Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam and this is Radiance Abelia from the Southern Living Plant Collection in 2 minutes. Radiance Abelia is a dwarf variegated abelia, only reaches 2 to 3 feet in height, maybe 4 feet in width over time. It can actually be controlled smaller than that. This is a beautiful evergreen shrub that's hardy in zones 6 to 9, blooms throughout the summer, is great for pollinators, it's great for butterflies, has this beautiful variegated foliage on it year-round. The stems on it are reddish, and it really makes the variegation pop on it. They're insect and disease resistant, they're deer resistant. It's kind of the perfect foundation shrub, or the perfect shrub to have in mass. People frequently ask me what they should be growing on their banks in full sun conditions. Definitely Radiance Abelia would be a good choice for that. They're super drought tolerant once they're established. If you're planting these in clay, mound them up a little bit. But really, I just don't even need to give you much planting advice on Abelia. Abelia are just tough as nails. They can be pruned in the late winter or during the summer, even if you need to get them under control. You fertilize them in the late winter, early spring, once a year with a slow release fertilizer, and just leave them be. You can cut them into, they'll kind of naturally grow in just a perfect little dome without doing much to them. If you get a crazy limb here or there, you can cut that off whenever. But this, people frequently ask me for super tough plants that they can use in a variety of spaces that stay low and require no maintenance or virtually no maintenance. Radiance Abelia would definitely be at the top of that list. Thanks for watching. So thank you very much for watching this 2-minute version of this variety. I frequently have a longer version of these videos on my channel that may show me planting them and maybe some additional information that I didn't share in this shortened version. I also have playlists on this channel for very specific needs. If you're looking for screening plants or foundation plants or shade plants, or you're in like zone 6 or 7, I have playlists that include all the plants that will grow in your area. So look for those playlists on my channel. Thanks for watching.